Hey there, welcome to REPLO Shopify. So, what's this tool all about? It's a tool for creating landing pages or sales pages focused on selling products like those on Shopify. They offer A/B testing, Shopify templates, an assistant, stats, and more. They explain how it integrates with Shopify apps we've used before. It's got great reviews and looks pretty easy to use. If you want to try it, just click Get Started for free to begin. Alright, how do we connect our store to REPLO Shopify? Well, we go to REPLO, click sign up for free, log in, and they'll prompt us to connect our store, okay? So we can simply import it from Shopify. I don't have one, so we'll select I'm brand new and ask for guidance. Alright, first they want to know us, so we'll fill out this section with our name and store name. Which option describes us best, okay? Let's say marketing management, and what's our annual revenue, right? We continue, and they show us their pricing plans from $100 to $500 monthly, but offer a free trial to test it out and see what we'd like to build. Got it? Well, as you can see, we're starting with the assets and store details. They've asked what we'd like to build. Let's say we want to build the first thing they've given us here, a landing page, this very one. We'll click duplicate template. Okay, as you can see, they provide the template ready for us to modify different sections. We can publish it, connect with Shopify, and they give us this workspace to build the page quickly. Here you see just one page, but we could create multiple pages if needed. For example, when we click this button, it redirects us to another page like interactions. We could set it to go to any page we want. Obviously, we need to create the page we want to redirect to first. But anyway, this is REPLO. It has a statistics section where we can see data for our pages, clicks, sessions, conversions, profit, and more. We also have A/B testing to try different options and see which works best. So that's it. That's how REPLO works. Pretty simple. Alright, in this video we'll be looking at REPLO's payment plans. We'll click here to check out both monthly and annual pricing options. As you can see, the annual basic plan offers a 17% discount, same for others. So let's dive in. Let's look at monthly pricing, $120 per month. It allows 15 items in your Shopify store, one store connection, 10,000 A/B test sessions, and analytics. $120 is steep, but for advanced Shopify tools, it assumes you're profitable. 15 items can make a pretty complete Shopify store. Then there's $300 a month for 3 stores, 50 items, and more. Lastly, $600 a month for unlimited items and features. Honestly, these prices seem fair to me. I checked REPLO's reviews. 4.7 stars on the Shopify store. That's a great score, showing users are satisfied with the tool. So there you have it. Hope you found this helpful. See you in future videos.